Hey everyone, today I've got a quick PDF tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to rearrange PDF pages for free online. It's really quite simple to do. I've got a PDF here on my desktop, and if I open it up, you can see it's in the wrong order. I've got page 2, page 1, page 3, 4, 6, 5, etc. And we're going to show you how to rearrange that really quickly here using ilovepdf.com. So you can do a quick Google search for ilovepdf. It's ilovepdf.com. I'll have it linked below in the description. Go ahead and load up that website and it'll look something like this. It is free to use. And there's a whole bunch of options here, and we're searching for the one that says Organize PDF. If you're not seeing it there, you can also go to the top to All PDF Tools, and it's right here off to the side. Go ahead and click on that and open that up. Now in here, you can actually upload files from Google Drive or Dropbox, or you can select a file on your computer. You can also drag and drop files in here. So we'll go ahead and select a PDF file. We can search our computer for that file. It's here. It's called 10-page wrong. That's one we're looking for. I'll go ahead and hit open, and it's going to bring all the pages here into ilovepdf. And again, you can see they're in the wrong order. So what we want to do is hold down our mouse button and drag them into the correct order. So one here, I'm going to drag it over and put it at the beginning. We've got page 5 and 6. We'll swap those out, and page 9 and 10. And now you can see that they're all in the correct order. If you need to reset it, you can hit reset all. Once you've got it the way you like it, go ahead and hit organize here in the bottom right-hand corner. It's going to reorganize those, and you can save it to your Google Drive. You can share a download link or scan a QR code. You can save to Dropbox. You can even delete it here if you don't want it. If you go ahead and hit download, it's going to download that for you if it didn't do it automatically, and it automatically opened it up in my PDF viewer here. Now you can see that the pages are all in the correct order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And really it's that easy to reorganize or rearrange your PDF pages here online for free using ilovepdf.